name's Rob and I work for the Welsh Dee Trust as the Events and Communications Officer. A question we get asked all the time is who are the Welsh Dee Trust and what do you do to benefit this amazing river, the River Dee? What we thought we'd do is just create a short video just to explain who we are, where we work and why we do it. So to start with, the Welsh Dee Trust is a charitable organisation. We work on the River Dee and we work all the way from Bala or above Bala Lake all the way down to where the river meets the sea towards Chester. The reason we do this is because we absolutely love the River Dee. It's a river teeming with life and we want to create a River Dee free of pollution and full of wildlife, and all of the work we do goes towards that aim. This river is beautiful, as I said, it's full of wildlife and it feeds millions of people, so it's really worth protecting and we strive to do so. What we do is we operate three main programmes at the Welsh Dee Trust. We have our water-wise farming programme, we have our restoring river habitats programme, and we have our It Shouldn't Be in the Dee programme, along with some other programmes that are slightly smaller that operate towards the side on their own. First off, we have our restoring river habitats programme. Rivers are supposed to be a dynamic, constantly changing environments. It's this constant change that creates a variety of different habitats for wildlife to thrive on the river. Unfortunately, over the years, the River Dee has become heavily managed. It's been straightened, it's been widened, it's been dredged, it's been stripped of vegetation in certain areas. It's our Restoring River Habitats programme that looks to address this. We do things such as putting woody debris back into the river and other debris to create habitats. We look to reconnect the river with its floodplains. We look to implement fencing along the side of the river that allows trees and vegetation to naturally regenerate. And we look to remove man-made structures such as weirs from the river. All of this to create a more resilient river and allow wildlife to come back in force. Farming is a huge part of life on the Dee catchment, and farmers are working daily with nutrients and soil to help keep food on our plates. Unfortunately, that same soil and nutrients can end up in the river becoming pollutants. So our water-wise farming programme works with farmers, completely confidentially, to help make small changes to the farm that will help both the farm and the river. We do things like implementing funding, offering advice, and helping with things like better slurry storage, more efficient use of nutrients, and more efficient drainage, all to help keep soil on the land and out of the river. Pollution is a huge problem within the River Dee, whether it be sediment pollution, nutrient pollution, chemical pollution, or plastic pollution. And because of this, we started our It Shouldn't Be in the Dee programme. This is our programme that allowed us to get out and empower local communities to take action on their local waterways, whether that be on the River Dee itself with things such as litter picks or pollution monitoring, or whether it's on the tributaries with more pollution monitoring in our citizen science programme, and also invertebrate sampling, so checking the invertebrates that are living at the bottom of the river, and that gives us an indicator as to the health of that section of river and allows us to monitor it over long term. So It Shouldn't Be in the Dee programme is one that we really get out and one that you guys can get involved with. Speaking of how you can get involved, there are so many ways you can help the Welsh Dee Trust create a River Dee free of pollution and full of wildlife. To start with, we have our citizen science scheme. This is where we'll provide a couple of hours training to help you monitor phosphate and turbidity. We also have our Smart Rivers programme that's run by Wildfish. This is where we monitor three major rivers of the River Dee, three major tributaries of the River Dee, and we monitor the invertebrates that are living at the bottom of the river. This gives us a long-term indicator of the health of that river. And we'll collect the samples and then volunteers will come in over a period of weeks and will identify those invertebrates, and that helps us know that. We also have loads of litter picks going on, both on river and off river. We have loads of tree planting going on through the winter, and there are more opportunities you can get involved with. So check out our website or on our Team Kinetics and you'll see all those pop up, or check out our socials and I'm constantly popping them all over there. I hope you've enjoyed the video. As mentioned at the start, there will be some more videos going a little bit more in depth into those programs and the other work that we do around them. I'm going to finish with a quick call to action. It takes collaboration to protect an amazing river like the River Dee. It takes you guys. You can do so many different ways. There's sort of ways that I've just said, and there are so many other options as well. Keep in touch, keep following us, subscribe to our YouTube channel. This is going to keep you informed in ways that you can help, where we need help, and ways that you can help yourselves. It really doesn't matter who you are, if you're just a local resident, if you enjoy walking down the river, if you're an angler, if you're a paddler, if you're a landowner, if you're a farmer, or you just enjoy the Dee in any way, you can help. I look forward to seeing you on the river and beside the river in the future.